Hey guys, this is Sarmistha. Well, I'm from India, specifically from Calcutta. I came to USA just 5 months back. So this fall season, we went to New Hampshire to see the fall colors. So I have shared my 2 days itinerary and I've categorized all the places into 4 types like must visit, recommended, good to cover, or you may skip. So this is my first USA travel vlog. Hope you guys find it useful. And that's me. We are all geared up to see the most recommended destination of fall season, New Hampshire. We are excited to see the colors we have heard about. From Philly to Lisbon, it's almost 7 hours drive. We started at 3 so that we can reach by 10.
Just stay one more night. I'll be by your side.
Well, I must mention the place we are staying in is beautifully decorated. See the dolls? Cute, na? I totally love them. Here is one more. Grandma. Well, our host has given us a music system which we have not used yet. Here are some candles and this is our room. Here is a beautifully decorated sewing machine. Look at the details. Tables. Here we have a small book basket. So basically this is the area of staircase. That's the entrance. There is another room and this one is the family room. And this is another corner of the floor. I'm just adoring each and every tiny details of the home decor. This is so beautiful. And there we have a small pool hangout zone. I'll just grab a cup of coffee and sit here soon. starting from 113 South Main Street, that is our home address, to our first location, Bath Covered Bridge. It is situated in Bath town of Grafton County in New Hampshire and built in 1832 over Ammonoosuc River. State's oldest covered bridge and really nice riverside spot. We spent 10-15 minutes and then moved on. It's a must visit place according to me. We are now heading towards our second spot, Lost River Valley, which is 35 minutes drive from Bath Bridge, and it's a very famous campground also. You need to book it way ahead if you want to spend few days, but today we will get only 30 to 45 minutes for our visit. Just stopped by because we saw a really nice place somewhere between Bath Covered Bridge and Mountain Lake, which has a really good view of Ammonoosuc River. So now we are again heading towards River Valley, and we can see the mix of three colors, green, yellow and orange, has started appearing. Now the time is 12:30. We have reached Lost River Valley and we are moving to the opposite side of the campground because we can see a mesmerizing place up there. We are going to spend our time here. Another foliage spot in White Mountain, Franconia North State Park, 13 minutes drive from here. People usually spend whole day in Flume Gorge, fishing in Eco Lake, do hiking, biking, skiing or swimming. We are going to the museum now. And there are some picturesque spots worth the time. Kancamagus highway, we will stop next in a not so popular location, riverside of East Branch of Pemigewasset River. Well, it's a tributary of Pemigewasset originating from White Mountain. It falls in between the Franconia North State Park and Eco Lake. Now it's around 4, so we think that we will get an amazing golden sunset there. We have again taken Cancamagus highway. It's 35-mile scenic drive along Route 112 and major recommended foliage spot of New Hampshire. We have reached our last spot, Eco Lake, and this is surprisingly the most beautiful sight of the day. But it's almost dark, so we have decided to come back next day. We are all starving, so we got a Thai restaurant near us, 298 West Main Street, Thai Kitchen. We will take out the spicy crispy duck. Everybody loves Thai. Feeling really tired, and it's a wrap for today. Thank you so much for watching. Since this is my first video, if you guys have any suggestion or any feedback, please leave that in the comment section below. If you like this video, then hit like. For more travel videos like this, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get all video notifications. Bye-bye.